Hi everyone. So sorry about the issues with apparently this week's screencast. I had an update and then it broke the audio. So using a different screencasting tool this week, or at least for this round. Um, so Module 1, a couple things that I want to point out. You did a fantastic job with the discussion. Keep it up. If you didn't receive full points, chances are that was because you just forgot to respond to two of your classmates. So make sure you go back and do that. Better to do it sooner rather than later because it's easier to remember now than it will be down the road. The activity for the Voki itself, some of you, I think just in your haste of reading the directions themselves, um, it was miscommunicated that you need to create a Voki that focuses on the importance of digital presence for teachers and for students, not the importance of technology in general. So if you had that feedback, then rest assured you weren't the only one. Another idea might be to go and look at other people's Vokis if you're not sure, or go back and read that particular content area. And then the reflection itself, I think we've cleaned that up, and you should be able to post your reflections now in whatever format you'd like. For pedagogy, the discussion is pretty standard. You ask a question and go ahead and respond to that. The activity, you're going to be creating a Venn diagram and talking about the intersection of what is referred to as TPAC. So the intersection of technology, pedagogy, and content knowledge. There's an example of one student's TPAC Venn diagram down here. You can use Creately, Google Draw, or Glyphy, or another one if you would prefer, but remember to let me know and just get a quick okay if you'd like to use something else other than one of those. You could also draw one by hand and upload a picture or video of it, but if one of the goals of this course is to really expose you to other types of technologies, I'd encourage you to try one of the first ones. But if you're like, no, I can't, it's taking me 5 hours just to figure out how to use Creately, let it go and draw one by hand. And then your portfolio assignment, this is the first time you're actually completing the lesson plan itself. So at the very least, you should go through and complete the lesson plan, even if you don't have the student sample yet. We want you to have the student sample when you come to actually submit it, so try to make that your goal. And once you have the student sample and provided everything else is good and clean, then go ahead and give you full credit for it, but don't make sure that you still submit it even if you don't have the student sample. And then of course the reflection is the sort of standard reflection, and you shouldn't have any issues submitting that this time. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I look forward to seeing you in the interwebs, non Canvas. Take care. Bye-bye.